Opel Corsa. How does the automatic high-low beam sensor work? We thought we would show you if it works. The low beams are on. All you need to do to make this active is to switch on the high beams. When you do, on the left side, if there's a green A mark, it is active. A vehicle is approaching from the other side, as you can see. It turned off its lights when it saw them. If there is a car in front, it will also turn off its parking lights when it sees it. It turns off your high beams. After the vehicle passes, it will become active again. Let's test it. It has arrived. If you are in an urban area and driving under street lights, this feature will not activate. If there are vehicles approaching or departing in front of you, it will not activate. But let's go ahead and turn on the headlights.